My name is Megan Bertalin. I'm a student at Jacksonville University. I'm an aviation management major, and we're in Nova Scotia flying drones to help tag sharks.
We've been trying to use the drones to scout out the area for sharks and shark habitat and be able to call out sharks before they're hooked.
We are looking for sharks using the Mavic. It's a drone with the polarized lens, and what we're doing, we're going to about 100 feet in the air, looking 90 degrees down, and looking in the shallow water / deep water where the seals are, and see if the sharks are coming up to the deep water. We've seen a lot of seals, we've seen hundreds of them, just a lot of colonies up and down the island. One of the highlights that we've had was we were able to actually capture video of one of the sharks on the bait.
They have a tremendous aviation school at JU, and oftentimes planes or drones can be very helpful. So when we were meeting with them, we said, hey, if you can come up here and you can help us find where the seals hauled out or spot a shark for us and maybe help us get an additional shark or two on an expedition, that would be tremendously helpful, because the average cost of finding and capturing one of these animals is over $100,000, and every single animal that they find for us drives that cost down.
It's been a dream come true, being privileged enough to be on the boat and see all that go down. It's been truly remarkable, really, really incredible.
To do a huge conservation research project like this, you've got to have people from all disciplines, marketing and business and aviation and marine science and all kinds of different people that come together to do what they're best at.
I've learned a lot about the drones and how they operate and how to pilot them correctly. They are incredibly sophisticated. Launching them from the island has been really, really interesting. It's a totally different operation when you launch them from solid ground compared to when you launch them from a moving vessel like the OCEARCH vessel. When we're on the boat, we have to launch them via hand, and that's sometimes can be a lesson in frustration, because it's all the sensors are going off, and these drones are really sophisticated nowadays.
As a student, this is incredible. It's real life experience. It's great conversation, especially when you're looking at new jobs. Having this kind of experience is really cool, and it's great to be a part of a project like this to be able to do some good, but it's also great real life experience and easy to apply to our job market.